Hey guys, as you can see here, I have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator, which I acquired last July. And, well, the thing I never liked about it are the tires. They were really small. I mean, not really compared to cars of the past, but if you think about now, it came with 245 70 R17 tires, all season basically, which are good for gas mileage and equate to being about 31 inches in diameter. So given all the current events, one has to kind of watch his or her budget here. So I found a good deal on these 285 70 R17. Basically it's the same size you get with a Rubicon, and really had considered putting upgraded rims, but again, due to budgetary constraints, I elected to keep the stock rims, which, if you Google this on the internet, you're not going to find too many good pictures, and this video is probably the best way to show it. It doesn't really do it justice, but it actually looks much better in person than it would through images. I do intend to put some spacers here to push these out about 2 inches, which will broaden the stance, and figure the money that I've saved here by not buying upgraded rims will allow me to put a new bumper. That's another big deficiency I find with these Gladiators. It's these plastic covered bumpers. They just look like something you'd find on an Accord, like a base model from back in the 90s. They do their job, got to trim the money somewhere, I guess, but they just look terrible. And for about $300 to $500, you can find nice powder coated ones in many different styles, even with the capability to take a winch. And I think you figure for rims you're talking another, say, $600 minimum. So the money I've saved by not going with upgraded rims will allow me to get a new bumper. So just thought I'd share this, because a lot of people are probably thinking, well, how would it look if I was to just keep my stock rims but put bigger tires? I figure with this I could put a leveling kit here and get the bumper for basically what I would have spent for the additional on rims. Now, I do intend to keep this car a long time, and perhaps when these wear out, I'm going to save my money now and try to do 35s of the lift. So that'll be like the phase 2 renewal to keep it new, down the line. But for now, I think this is a wise choice, and I think that many of you who might be thinking, should I just go for it? This is the way to do it, I'd say, if you want to keep a budget and get something functional. Now, will I do some rock crawling? Probably not. I live here at the beach. All I really intend to do is take it on the beach every now and then, so this should suffice. I actually did test it on a construction site that I'm managing, and during the rain, and these did very well. I was able to run it in two-wheel drive through mud pretty much the entire time. Only at the very last, where it sank in a bit, did I have to put it into four-wheel drive, but much improved over the stock tires. So thought I'd share this for anyone who might be wondering what would it look like if I just take 285s and stick them where the 245s had been. So that's what you get. I mean, the tread pattern definitely makes it look more trucky, more Jeepy, I guess you could say. And the extra money I've saved here will allow for additional improvements, which will really, it's kind of getting more bang for your buck. So I hope this was helpful, and send me some comments or any questions. Thanks.